It's a 2011 Ford Fusion. Powerful and impactful, this Fusion delivers a commanding performance. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Cars.com reports the broad range of gear ratios makes for spirited acceleration without sacrificing efficient high-speed cruising. Most important, it reacts quickly and without undue kick-down lag. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.